Hello everyone, welcome to the course on antenna and wave propagation. In my last session, I was discussing the numerical based on maximum visible frequency, critical frequency, ionic concentration and distance between transmitting and receiving point. I have discussed all those different kind of numerical. Okay, in this particular numerical that is has 04, I am giving you a homework. You have to solve these questions um, and tell me the final answer of the required parameter. Okay, so what is the question? Let me read the question. The reflection takes place at a height of 350 kilometer and the maximum electron density in the ionosphere corresponds to a 0.75 refractive index at a frequency 10 megahertz. What will be the range? Assume flat surface of Earth for which MUF is 12 megahertz. Read the question carefully and you will jot down the data. I have for your help, I have noted down the parameters which are given. Okay, the reflection takes place at a height of 350 kilometer. What does it mean? It means the height of the ionospheric layer is given 350 kilometer. Okay, fine. And the maximum electron density in the ionosphere correspond to a 0.75 Ri. Ri means refractive index. That means maximum electron density correspond to a value of Ri 0.75. Even though the value of refractive index is given, but maximum ionic concentration or the electron concentration is not given. That means that you have to calculate. So I have written here mu is equal to 0.75. So when mu is equal to 0.75, then n will be n max. Fine. For the maximum ionic concentration, this is written maximum electron density 0.75 you have obtained. Okay. At a particular frequency of operation 10 megahertz, this frequency is frequency of operation. This is neither a maximum frequency nor a critical frequency. This is a frequency of operation. Okay. So that is why I have written f is equal to 10 megahertz. What will be the range? Assume flat earth surface. So for flat earth surface, we have considered the formula. Now for which MUF is 12 megahertz. So MUF is given. Maximum frequency is 12 megahertz, and so we are asked to calculate the range, means the distance between the transmitting point and the receiving point, that is d equal to what. So that means you have to calculate the value of the d. So for assume flat earth surface, you will use f MUF is equal to this formula fc into root over 1 plus d by 2h whole square. Now, before using this formula, you have to keep in mind that your fc should be known to you, your d should be known to you, and your 2h should be known to you. So in this question, you are asked to calculate d. So at least you should know your height, fc and MUF. So MUF is known, very good. Height and fc. So height is known, very good, but fc is not known. So your first step will be in this question to calculate the value of fc, and we know that fc is equal to 9 root n max. So that means you have to calculate the n max as well. So n max you will calculate by using this formula. Mu is equal to root over 1 minus 81 n by f square for the ionospheric propagation, keeping frequency to be f square. Okay, so mu is given for the maximum ionic concentration 0.75. So this will be n max. So from here frequency of operation is given 10 megahertz. Mu is given. You can calculate from here the n max. Once you will get the value of n max, just put the value of a square root of n max and multiply with n. You will get fc, and just put the value of fc where you will get the maximum frequency. Same problem with the different data I have solved in hash 02. So you just go through my notes, my lecture, my video lecture, in which I have solved this kind of numerical, how you will calculate the desired value for the 3 steps. First step, you have to calculate the maximum electron concentration, followed by the critical frequency, and followed by the distance between the transmitting and the receiving point. So just go through my video lecture and just read the steps very carefully, try to understand the concept, and just try to solve this numerical. I hope that all of you will be able or in the position to solve this numerical. So I'm just leaving it for you people, and just tell me the result of value of distance in between the transmitting point and the receiving point. Okay, you can send me your results latest by 5 p.m. today itself. Okay, 5 p.m. Thank you.